How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Striker-4 versus our MultiColor Virtue-4. So for example here, I brought a Striker-4 in red clear alternating, and then I also brought a red clear multicolor Virtue-4 here. And to activate these units, I'm actually using our SIG plug Y cable, which is a great option if you need to activate two SIG plug activated units, such as our dash lights here. So again, these units will also have dual memory. So I have power mode 1 here, where I have an alternating style flash pattern. Now you'll notice on my Striker unit that my modules are not changing color. So my red clear alternating unit will be red clear, and you'll see those modules do not change color. Now here on my MultiColor Virtue-4 in red clear, you'll notice that my modules are flashing back and forth between their primary and secondary color. And for example, here is red clear. Now that's in my power mode 1. So then I have a second power mode here on my SIG plug, so I'll go ahead and activate that. And you'll see I have another flash pattern programmed. So with our dual memory, you have the ability to program up to 2 flash patterns. So you have one for your power mode 1 and another flash pattern for your power mode 2. And you'll see this is more of a steady burn flash pattern. But in each power mode, you can hit your flash pattern switch here to change your pattern. And then the units have memory recall in each power mode. So you can save a flash pattern for each power mode, and then you can easily swap to the other one as well. So you can set 2 flash patterns there. And again, this is our Striker-4, and this is in TIR in a red clear alternating, and we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating options. And then here is our MultiColor Virtue-4 in red clear. But again, we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. Now when it comes to mounting your units, we offer our 90-degree suction cups, our 360-degree suction cups. We also have our static headliner bracket and our adjustable headliner bracket, so you have any mounting option for your setup. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.